One of the other really important things that you need to also worry about besides your pre-trip is you got to make sure that you got a lot of grease or plenty of grease on your fifth wheel, because if you don't, you can definitely cause an accident if your fifth wheel breaks on you. But that's why you got to put grease on it, because you're rubbing metal with metal. So this is just a quick friendly reminder to stay lubed at all times, my friend. And while you're at it, go through a little bit of lube on that landing gear, man. If you feel like you're struggling with it, that's probably why. You probably need grease on it. So go put a little bit of love into that poor little landing gear, man.